Today we are going to tell you 3 facts about swans that we wonder you probably know. First, swans are comfortable standing on one leg. Yes, this does not only happen to the ones who plays langadi, but found in swans too. Second, swans can sleep while floating. With one eye open to monitor potential predators, swans may fall down to sleep while floating on the water. Third, swans can break bones with their wings. Yes, you heard it right. Swans have strong wings that can break bones. This makes them formidable opponents when defending their territory or young. Comment below if you know any other bird that can break bones.